Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are doing a yellow spring set with flowers, yellow glitter, and line art. So first, you guys are going to see me pick up a bead of Nude Acrylic, and I'm going to place that on the middle finger, just above where the tip and the natural nail meet. And then this whole nail is going to be Nude Acrylic. So you guys saw me pick up another bead, lay it down, and then gently work the bead down the nail. And then I'm just going to keep adding acrylic until the nail is fully nude. And then afterwards, I am going to go in and encapsulate. So I did do the ring finger off camera, but here for the encapsulation part, you guys saw I picked up a bead of clear acrylic. I placed it right where the tip and the natural nail would meet, and then I slowly worked the acrylic down. So the reason we are encapsulating is we want to create structure and strength for the nail. Next, we're going to do our accent nail, the pinky and the index. So you saw me pick up a clear bead of acrylic, place it on the tip, and then I picked up yellow glitter. And then this is also going to be an ombre, so we will have nude at the top. And then I slowly work the yellow glitter up where you can see my natural nail and the tip meeting. So that's as far as the yellow glitter is going to go. And I did go in with 2 coats of the yellow. So I did first the pinky, did the first layer, and then I moved on to the index finger. When the pinky nail dried, then I got to look and decide if I wanted to add more, which I did, because I wanted it to be a bit more on the darker yellow side, because it was very clear. You could still see the tip shining through, if that makes sense. I just repeated the same process on the index finger. Next, we're just gonna go in with Nude Acrylic at the cuticle to create an ombre between the nude and the yellow glitter. So you guys will see me picking up beads, very tiny beads of Nude Acrylic, and slowly working it down so the blend is nice. So I'll keep adding beads until I like how the blend looks. So you guys can just go ahead and watch me do that. Next, we're going to encapsulate the ombre. So I'm doing it here on the index finger. So that one I did off camera for the ombre. So you saw me pick up a clear bead of acrylic, and then I just placed it right where the nude and the glitter meet, and I slowly worked it down. Then you saw me pick up another bead, and I'm gonna just keep picking up small beads until the nail is fully encapsulated. We do want to encapsulate because we do have glitter here, and if we just go in straight and file, the glitter is going to come off. So that's why we're encapsulating. We're protecting the nail as well as also adding structure to the nail as well. So next we're going to e-file, so you'll see me going around the cuticle area and sealing it in. So we seal in the cuticle to prevent lifting. So what that means is we file around the cuticle so there is a thin line between our skin and where the acrylic starts. In between there should be a very thin line. That way our cuticle is fully sealed. No hand lotions, no soap, no water would get under, which will cause the nail to lift. We do not want lifting. That's why we do that. And then you'll also see me like filing the surface of the nail, which you could do with a hand file. It's just faster to do it with an e-file because you can up the speed, which would take off more product. And then you guys will see me like filing the sidewalls as well, and filing under the nail because we do have like some product buildup that goes under there. And then I'm gonna also straighten our tip with the e-file as well. And then the rest of the nails were filed off camera. Okay, and next you guys are going to see me filing an old file and a new file together. So this removes the sharpness that is on the new file, like on the edge, so that way you avoid cutting yourself. If you just go in with a brand new file and you have not like buffed the side of it with an older file, you will cut yourself. So this is the best way to prevent that from happening. Next, we're going to go in with a buffer. We use a buffer because the e-file and the hand file leaves lines or ridges on the nail, and the buffer will smooth it out completely. Okay, so now it's time for our design. So I am using the Model 1's gel polish, and I'm also going to be using the SC, which is 2 yellow colors. And then you do see the yellow colors are there on the palette. So what we're going to do next, I'm going to pick up my liner brush and I'm going to outline the nail. So I'm going to outline the tip, and then I'm going to outline the sides, the left side and the right side. And then once that is fully outlined, we are going to go in and cure the nail. Okay, so while that nail is curing, I am going to go in with a matte top coat on the middle finger because this is going to have line art on it. And I wanted to do the top coat first before going in with the line art and then trying to top coat after. So that's what we're doing there. And then once that nail is top coated, I'm going to put it in the lamp and then do the same thing for our ring finger as well. So next we're gonna go in with our line art. So I'm gonna create I think it's called a quilted design. You could do it with like wet gel and an X-Acto knife, but I'm gonna do it with polish instead. So you're gonna see me like making like an X with the lines and then going in and creating another X and creating another X and creating another X. I think we're gonna total 3 sets of X. But you guys can go ahead and just watch me do this. So I'm just showing here that it's so cute, and then we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. And then I did the same process on our ring finger, and you see me cure the ring finger. Our pinky nail is gonna look exactly the same as our index. Next, we're gonna go in with our top coat on our middle finger, and then we're gonna cure for 60 seconds and top coat on our ring finger as well. And then you guys just see that after the top coat, they're so pretty. And next it's our bling time. So you just see me applying the bling gel there, and then we are gonna go in with flowers. So you see me just picking up the flowers with a wax tool and then just placing them on the nail. They look so pretty. And then you're gonna see me applying bling gel with inside the flower, and then we are gonna apply these little stones. They're not caviar beads, but something similar to that. We're gonna apply it on the inside of the flowers just to give them more of that like lifelike appearance, and then we're gonna cure. Next, we're gonna apply our cuticle oil. So you'll see me removing the UV protective glove and then applying the cuticle oil and rubbing it into the cuticle. And now our final looks. I am so obsessed with this set. It's so pretty yet so simple. It's, you know, spring, summer. It's a happy, yellow's a happy color. It's a happy drug. So it's one of my favorite colors. I absolutely love this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love the set as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.